in Site Admin. On the User Management page, you can click on Custom Profile Fields. Here, you can create a new category for your custom profile fields. Within existing categories, you can create a new profile field by selecting a suitable option from the available types. The text input field is most often used, as it accommodates typical short text inputs. You will then be required to give the custom profile field a unique short name that is used when performing bulk uploads, as well as a full name that is displayed on user profiles. You can optionally enter a description and can then specify the common profile field settings. A required profile field will force users to enter information before they can log in to the LMS. When a field is locked, users will not be able to edit it once information has been populated. If you need information to be unique across the system, you can require data to be unique. You can also select whether the field should be displayed on the sign-up page, define who should be able to see it, and select the profile field category it should be included in. You can then define the field type-specific settings, and when you're happy, you can click on Save Changes. Your custom profile field will then be available for users to complete. The information will be recorded on their profiles and can be linked to the user's segment automation as well as certain site-wide reports.